Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. KIPS का पेपर नंबर 4 सवाल नंबर फर्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट SI बेस यूनिट। तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है डी, कूलम बेस यूनिट नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, विच ऑफ द मटेरियल इज़ आर फ्लोरोसेंट। तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ दिस, जिंक सल्फाइड, सोडियम आयोडाइड, बेरियम प्लेटिनोसेनाइड, ऑल ऑफ दिस। ये जो है इसका राइट ऑप्शन डी है। सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ अ बॉडी लाइज मे बी इनसाइड और आउटसाइड ऑफ बॉडी। इसका राइट ऑप्शन सी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, अ बॉडी इज मूविंग इन अ सर्किल विद कांस्टेंट स्पीड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट अ बॉडी इज ट्रू। काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ बॉडी रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट। इसका राइट ऑप्शन डी है। ब्लड प्रेशर मेजर्ड इन इंस्ट्रूमेंट कॉल्ड स्पाइगनोमोनोमीटर। इसका राइट ऑप्शन बी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इफ मास if m is a mass of electron, h is a Planck's constant, c is the speed of light, then dimension of h upon mc is L. If question number 7, if earth is stopped spinning about a polar axis, then weight of object on earth is increased. Question number 7 का B option, during an adiabatic expansion of 2 mole of gas, the internal energy of gas is found to decrease by 2 joule. The work done during the process on the gas will be equal to minus 2 joule. Mercury is used in thermometric substance because its expansion is linearly over a wide range of temperature. It is sensitive to heat because of its low specific heat. It is easily distinguishable and visible. तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ दिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, एट what temperature the Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale will have same reading। तो इसका राइट है 574.25 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। A oil film spreading over a wheat footpath shows colors due to an interference of light wave. The property of bending of light around obstacles is called diffraction of light. Diffraction is the characteristics of wave nature of light. इसका राइट ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, diffraction effects are more of sharp edges. Doppler effect can be applied on a sound wave in space and electromagnetic waves. तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है सी, both of the above. When the source of sound approaches to the listener, the frequency of sound received by the observer will be greater than the frequency of sound produced by the source. Source of sound having frequency f moving with velocity u towards the stationary listener v. Listener f v, the velocity of sound, apparent frequency of sound heard by observer would be a. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है सी। In a radar system designed according with the Doppler effect, if the aeroplane approaches to a radar, the wavelength reflected wave from aeroplane would be smaller than transmitting wave. When the resistance connected in series, the equivalent resistance is equal to sum of individual resistance. If a radio bulb of each of resistance 3 ohm are connected in series to 12 volt, the potential difference across will be. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है 6 वोल्ट। 4 वायर ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ each of resistance 10 ohm are connected in the form of a square. The equivalent resistance between two opposite corner of the square is 10 ohm. इसका राइट ऑप्शन पाथ डिफरेंस by constructive interference written by the B option and lambda. Which of the following can be used to visualization detecting internal human structure। तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ अबव। केट स्कैनिंग से भी कर सकते हैं, MRT से भी कर सकते हैं, MRI से भी कर सकते हैं। MRI इज प्रीफर्ड ओवर अ कंप्यूटेड टोमोग्राफी बिकॉज इसका राइट ऑप्शन है बोथ ऑफ अबव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, विद इन इलास्टिक लिमिट द रेशो बिटवीन द अप्लाइड टेंसिल स्ट्रेस टू प्रोड्यूस अ टेंसिल स्ट्रेन इज कॉल्ड यंग मॉड्यूलस। Question number 26, the ratio of shear stress and shear strength is called shear modulus. A NOR gate is on only when both input are 0. Which one of the following is not a logic operation division? X-rays can be cause ionization in gases. इसका right option D है. X-rays are diffracted by crystal lattice. An electron from K shell knocked out and other electron jump from higher shell to K fillet. The energy released second electron in the form of X-rays. X-ray break molecular bond and create highly reactive free radical, which is turn can disrupt molecular structure of protein, especially is called genetic material. Electron structure of atom are not involved in the emission of gamma rays. Laser is the intensive beam of light which is all of above: monochromatic light, coherent light, and collimated light. Laser beam can be used to generate three-dimensional image of object. This process called holography. Alpha radiation are not recommended for the treatment of patients because they are highly ionized. 37. Which of the following radiation are suitable for the treatment of flesh just under the skin? It's called beta radiation. 38. In a Wilson cloud chamber, the gamma rays do not definite tracks. When a radioactive isotope radium decay in a series with the emission of three alpha particle and beta particle isotopes formed by एक्जीनियम X83 to 16. इसका राइट ऑप्शन सी है. 40. polymeric solids have dash are compared with the lightest metal. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है ए, हाई स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी. 41. The reciprocal of decay constant of radioactive element is called mean life. Option number B. 42. A naturally occurring disintegration involving the emission of high energy electron is called beta decay. Question number 43. Which of the following is correct about a kinetic molecular theory of gases? इसका right option है both kinetic energy and momentum are conserved. Pressure of a gas is directly proportional to average translational kinetic energy of molecules. तो ये था हम किस का पेपर नंबर 4.